Logistics should not stop where the runway ends. Zelta V2 is a patent-pending amphibious vertical takeoff and landing cargo aircraft concept designed to connect air, land, and water operations. Designed around a targeted payload capacity of 100 kilograms, V2 combines vertical access with extended-range mission capability. Its intended applications include humanitarian response, coastal resupply, remote community support, emergency logistics, and time-critical cargo delivery. An AI-assisted autonomy layer is being developed to support mission planning, sensor fusion, obstacle awareness, and route optimization. By combining amphibious operation with vertical flight, V2 is intended to serve missions where airports, roads, and marine infrastructure may be limited. V2 is advancing through a staged development pathway encompassing prototype development, testing, validation, and certification support. Zelta V2, expanding where cargo aviation can go,